Millions of dollars are lost every year by the failure of equipment and inefficient processes. One may ask, how is it possible to experience inconsistent performance and unexpected equipment failures after investing in sophisticated control systems? This problem is more severe in processing plants such as pulp and paper, metallurgical, chemical, food and beverages, and oil and gas. Common to these types of operations is the critical role that operational staff play when it comes to interpretation, decision-making, and taking action. It is also common to find that certain shift teams get it right more often. This raises the question, what lies behind variable performance? The ability to interpret process measurements and formulate the right, consistent actions relies on the knowledge and experience of people. Interpretation always precedes action. Interpretation is the understanding of the circumstances of a decision. Actions put the decision in motion. Let us draw an analogy between process management and exploring a remote island on which you are stranded. Arriving on this island implies you don't know where you are and you don't know your destination. An inability to interpret data correctly is the same as being lost on this island. Incorrect decisions will result in poor results. This is what we refer to as variable performance and unexpected equipment failure. The navigation process consists of 1. Knowing where you are. 2. Knowing the destination. 3. Determining the appropriate route to get to the destination. Navigation is about planning ahead. To construct a map of the island, one will need to plot points of interest relative to each other. This is the same as mapping a process's variable interrelationship. As one starts to apply these interrelationships, knowledge and experience will improve. Base camp on the island will be the place with the best protection, water, etc. Different areas of the island are evaluated and selected according to the relation to base camp. Base camp becomes the main destination and is mapped relative to the other points of interest. After completing the map, there's no chance of getting lost, and movement on the island is all relative to base camp's location. For processing plants, this is the same as identifying circumstances or operating conditions that deliver the best performance. PLC, SCADA, or DCS control systems don't generate a detailed map of the process. These control systems only prevent you from going outside the boundaries of the mapped area. Time and State is a platform that enables you to map process conditions by using process data. This is equivalent to mapping water holes, steep gradients, points of interest, etc., as in the example of our island. Time and State also helps you to identify waypoint. That is the same as knowing the best conditions of the systems that need to be managed in order to reach optimum performance, which is base camp. What do you get with Time and State? Team learning and engagement. All personnel can make use of the same map. Proactive decision-making, which can prevent multi-million-dollar losses. A higher return on assets. Projects generating an internal rate of return higher than 25%.